hi everybody! Welcome to Aichi! Hey!
Hey, what are you doing up there?
I'm tree climbing. Aichi Prefecture has beautiful forests, and tree climbing is a wonderful way to interact with the forest and to look at nature from a different perspective. You should try it.
哇，也太棒了吧！
Aichi is blessed with beautiful nature, and her citizens are very ecologically and environmentally conscious. In fact,
Aichi hosted the 2005 World Exposition Aichi, Japan, under the theme of Nature's Wisdom. 121 countries and 4 international organizations participated in exploring approaches to tackling environmental issues of global scale. Today, part of the exhibits of this internationally acclaimed expo is displayed at Expo 2005 Museum. The Nagakute area had originally been a park, and now, after the expo, the whole site has been restored to its original state, making the least possible impact on the environment. This is just one manifestation of the principle behind Expo 2005 Aichi, Japan.
I would like to introduce Aichi's rich and bountiful nature that surrounds us. Firstly, umi.
Aichi looks to a fertile ocean and boasts great catches of fish and delicious seafood. A day off by the sea. Overlooking Mikawa Bay, the Laguna Gamagori is a marine resort complex. Marine sports facilities, attractive rides, and a shopping complex can be enjoyed. The illumination during the Christmas season is highly recommended. Cape Irago, at the tip of the Atsumi Peninsula, has Kochigahama Beach, one of Japan's 100 great beaches, selected by the Land Ministry. Nearby, a white lighthouse looks out to the horizon line on the Pacific Ocean.
Next, Sato.
The city of Anjo was once known as Japan's Denmark. It has Den Park, a park of flowers and greenery. With its credential as a successful farming center with a diverse approach covering rice, farm crops, fruits, and livestock, Anjo proposes a nature-friendly living full of flowers.
Next, Yama.
Mount Chaosu marks the highest peak in Aichi. Around May each year, the 1,358-meter-high field gets carpeted with moss phloxes, displaying beauty that defies words. Come autumn, the mountains are covered with red and yellow leaves. The autumnal charm of Mount Horaichi consists in an ocean of tinged leaves, interspersed with temples brimming with sanctity. Koranke Gorge is one of Aichi's best-known spots for viewing autumn foliage. November is the best time to go, especially at night when the gorge is illuminated. Less ordinary in the pantheon of Aichi sightseeing is autumn flowering cherry that blossoms twice a year. In autumn, its pale pink flowers collaborate with the red and yellow leaves of ordinary cherry trees to create contrasts of breathtaking beauty.
Kawa.
Ukai, or cormorant fishing on the Kiso River, is a 1,300-year-old tradition. Get aboard a viewing boat and witness the fantastic traditional fishing method performed under brightly burning flames of fire. Unlike in most other places, ukai here takes place during the day and is easy to fit into your sightseeing schedule.
Onsen.
Aichi has plenty of hot springs. Some are in the mountainous regions. While others are by the sea. Hot springs with varied surroundings are there to relieve your traveling day's fatigue. Now treat yourself to Aichi's culinary delights and sleep tight tonight.